So Chase Hoy here at the Pindari Lap Challenge event that Arise puts on. I think this is a super good thing that Arise has put together for Pindari. It's great for men to be in these cars and doing these things because it's a great way to switch off the mind and just enjoy the racing and being on the track.
It's unbelievable driving the car like this at such speed. Just the adrenaline and also the power that these things have got. It's just amazing and absolutely love it.
Yeah, look, it's a fantastic cause being here for Pindari and having a blast in the cars, obviously, but it's more than that. It's actually about creating awareness and support for an organisation that really puts back into the community, that serves men at the coalface of their tough times. And if we can be more aware of that, if we can spread the awareness and therefore spread the support, it's a great day, even if it's not in a race car.
Racing was amazing. I spun out 3 times, so probably missed out on three proper rounds. But yeah, that was great. And I'm so pleased to be able to support Pindari. Very good cause, and encourage anybody to get involved.
Yeah, so I think this day will benefit Pindari massively. It's a good social event to kind of raise awareness for what Pindari stands for, and also it's a lot of fun.
It doesn't get much better. Great fun, great people all around. So yeah, just having a blast.